Morning students, hope you all are fine and safe. Well students, today we are going to discuss about human rights for all. Chapter number 16, Human Rights. Well, what does human rights mean? Every person in the world has a right to life, freedom, food, shelter and education. These and other rights are called human rights. And both religion and law acknowledge our rights to enjoy them. Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every person in the world, from birth until death. These basic rights are based on shared values like dignity, fairness, equality, respect, and independence. These values are defined and protected by law. Well, there are international and national organizations that have been set up to protect and promote human rights. Among these are United Nations Human Rights Council, Amnesty International, SOS Children's Village, Human Rights Commission for Pakistan, Human Rights Education Program. Apart from this organization, there are also some dedicated and brave people who have worked hard to help the poor and weak people. Some of the well-known social workers are Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, Abdul Sattar Edie, Dr. Akhtar Hamid, Ibn Abdul Rahman, and Seema Aziz. So students, we are going to discuss about these well-known social workers. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, honored in the Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta, was an Albanian Indian Roman Catholic nun and missionary. She was born in Skopje, then part of Kosovo of the Ottoman Empire. Mother Teresa was a world-famous figure who toiled for the poor people in Kolkata. During her lifetime, Mother Teresa became famous as the Catholic nun who dedicated her life to caring for the destitute and dying in the slums of Calcutta, known as Kolkata. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She died in Kolkata in 1997. Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King was an American Christian minister and activist who became the most visible spokesperson and leader in the civil rights movement from 1955 until his assassination in 1968. Martin Luther was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. He fought for the rights of the African Americans. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary political leader who served as president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. Mandela was also a philanthropist and did much of the health, education, and to help the poor. Mandela won many awards, including the Nobel Prize, Nobel Peace Prize, and the Lenin Peace Prize. Well, students, I hope you enjoyed the lecture today. Here is your assignment. Question number 1 is, why is it important to protect human rights? Question number 2, what interest did Martin Luther King share with Nelson Mandela? Question number 3, which organization passed the International Law for Human Rights? Give the complete name. Take care, students. Goodbye.